Welcome to another Galil Jerk film. Today we're gonna be playing White Noise again. So, of course, we're gonna be playing on Nightmare Mode, random location. I'm with my boy Bobcat right here. He got this new character that's really weird looking. But yeah, so we're gonna be playing this.
What did you say about my character?
Yeah, there he is. Alright, so go ahead, start it.
Your character looks weird. What about me? Oh, wait. Whoa, I just messed that sentence up. I seriously just messed that sentence up. Well,
Alright.
crap. Really, you got that on YouTube?
Just reminding you guys,
I will
please,
check out random stuff.
please leave me comments in my videos so then I know what I can fix and not fix. So, yeah. Wait, what do you?
Hello, map. Wait, what map are we playing on?
I think this is like the one at the church.
Oh, I hate this map. I hate every map.
Yeah, because it also. Because you know when you get the first round, the person spawns in and you're screwed.
Scooby-Doo crew. Wait, we're not Scooby-Doo. We're a freaking Batman movie. Skeleton body.
Fine.
Hey, is we behind
And also,
us?
it's
I'm not
copyrighted. It's also copyrighted. Okay, he's behind us. He's right there. He like, it was weird because he was in the mist when I looked over there.
Should I turn around? I'm gonna...
Oh my god, he's still in the mist.
Oh, I hate it when he's in the mist. When he's in the mist, it's gonna kill me.
Also, I am sorry for not doing...
Statue.
what's... Okay, statue. I'm sorry for not doing a, what's it called? A playthrough through, Sunday of Their Arrival. It's just, I haven't had the time, because I've been out of town. So, yeah. But I'll get back to my schedule and do all this. Actually, I haven't really been off schedule. It's just, I went out of town, and then I posted 2 videos in the same day. But yeah. Are you watching? What?
What was that?
Oh my god! He's behind the freaking statue.
I'm looking. I wanna look. I'll look.
Okay, he's behind it again.
God,
He's
the name.
behind it again. He's behind it again. Alright, of course, there's a river. I'd swim away from this place. Okay, he's behind the rock. Where the heck did you go? Bobby?
Oh,
Bobby, where'd you go?
I'm behind you. I'm running another roar.
Okay, thank God. Bobcat, you're above this baby. And you're gonna be there to the end.
Galil.
Okay, what the f. Alright, just stick to the wall. Okay. Is his head rocking back and forth?
Yes, it is.
So I found out what white noise actually means. It means when your TV fuzzes up. Like when it does that fuzzy thing, that's what a white noise is. That's why our screen right now when playing this game is kind of fuzzy. It's because that's what white noise is. And that's why your screen gets like a lot more fuzzy when you see him. Did you die? Oh god, 1738.
I hurt my voice though pretty bad by screaming like that.
I heard that freaking. You just went high pitch. You went from being like 10 at a chill to like 1 in like a millisecond.
Oh, now I have a sore throat. What I do for you guys for Christians.
Dude, I am not freaking a religion.
I know. I'm sorry.
You're not freaking a religion.
I find it funny. It just gets you annoyed, so I say it. Joking, Galil's channel. Don't post that in the comments below.
Where are you at?
Where'd you go? I don't know, but he's gonna kill me. Oh, my voice hurts a little bit.
Hey, Bobcat. Do you have plants in your house? Because you should water those. Yeah.
too?
Yeah.
You're gonna get me killed. You're gonna get me killed. No, I can't go anywhere because there's a statue and he's right behind me. He's getting closer. Are you near the centaur thing that we found the one tape in?
I'll go back to there because I was there.
Okay, go back to there because that's where I am right now.
I can't believe we lost each other.
Why does this always happen?
Oh, there you are.
Where are you?
What are you doing?
Behind.
He's behind a tree. Oh god, he's right there! Dude, I just saw him freaking teleport.
My world is unpleasant.
Hey, let's go this way. This way. This way. This way.
You should do the sound.
Oh, I should do a what?
I think I'm most of the thing on my channel, like my iPhone go like for like 15 seconds.
Huh. No, you need to get a custom URL so I can put it, I can feature it. Do it. All my subscribers. Freaking tell him.
Is that Mickey Mouse?
Yeah, I'm doing my Mickey Mouse voice. Huh?
Ah!
Did you die?
Hey, look this way.
Alright.
Die.
Yes. Cause I want you to be the last one standing now. Where that guy? Whatever. We need to make Bobby the last one
Why
standing.
do you always do this to me? I died last time, I believe.
Yep.
I'm going in circles. Pretty circles.
Hey, commentate for the people real quick.
I hope he does a Slender the Arrival because that game. Post in the comments below. That scared you. If it didn't, then that scared me pretty bad. Sign. A dead guy. Something on the wall. I heard a scary sound. No. I can't do this. I can't not do this. Is he an alien? Is he teleporting all around me? A sawmill. He's there. Something happened. Your radio.
Alright, people, I'm back.
Oh, what is that? Oh, no.
Man, I wish I could have just spectated.
Hey.
Sorry, you guys had to. Okay, well, sorry you guys had to look at a wall for a little bit. I had trouble in my house, so I had to go do it. Here, Bobby, commentate this real quick.
Yes, people. They're gonna watch the replay. So, post in the comments below if you think this game is scary. If you guys think it's scary, well, we're on the same terms. If we don't think it's scary, crap, man. We go this way. We start right here. I mean,
We went up,
no,
got
we
scared.
actually-
What? Why were we on top of the freaking top?
Oh, well, here's our little circle. Right, making...
We always make.
Not
See,
really.
look at the total opposite. And then we went straight down, and then we went straight down.
Yeah, you're going like circles as I'm getting attacked over there.
Then we met up, and then I
Can
died.
you look at all the question marks? You're safe. Go up right.
And then I had to kill myself because I had to go do something.
And you just stay there, right? You stay right there, and I'm walking all around. Like, I don't know what I'm doing.
And then I come back and you just die.
Yeah, like, I'm commentating. So I'm saying stuff, like, asking if it's scary or not. Or, like, I hope you do an actual playthrough soon on the Slender the Rifle.
Yeah. Thank you all for watching. I'm sorry I had to go for a little bit. I had trouble in my house. I had to go and do it real quick.
They heard me scream.
Yeah. Like you guys got the privilege of listening to Bobcat do all of his like really nice commentating. I promise you guys in the next next episode of White Noise and all my stuff, I will make sure I have everything done and ready, and I will be playing fully. All right. Thank you all. Comment into the description. Comment in the description. Please leave a comment of what I could fix and what I am doing good at, and just criticize me because I'm just starting. Kind of need the help with this. Thank you all, and have a nice night.